Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can be intimidating. New terms, crazy price swings, and a million different platforms, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. But fear not, crypto-curious comrades. Today we're diving into a beginner-friendly guide on how to buy Bitcoin using Gemini, a secure and popular exchange, all with the comfort of a good old-fashioned bank transfer. Why Gemini? There are a bunch of crypto exchanges out there, but Gemini stands out for a few reasons. First, their focus on security is top-notch. They store the majority of user funds offline, which makes them a much harder target for hackers. Second, their interface is clean and user-friendly, perfect for crypto newbies. Finally, they offer a variety of funding options, including the trusty bank transfer we'll be using today. Alright, let's get down to business. There are 5 main steps to buying Bitcoin with a bank transfer on Gemini. Step 1. Sign up and verification. First things first, you need a Gemini account. Head over to their website and sign up for free. The process is pretty straightforward, but be prepared to verify your identity with some basic documents like your ID and proof of address. This might take a day or two, so be patient. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once you're verified, it's time to link your bank account. This is where you'll be sending the funds to buy your Bitcoin. Gemini uses a secure system to connect your bank account, so don't worry about your information being exposed. Step 3. Funding your account. Now comes the fun part, feeding your Gemini account with some cash. Head over to the deposit section and choose bank transfer as your method. You'll be provided with account details. Here's the key to double-check those details before initiating the transfer from your bank. A mistake here could lead to a delay, so be super careful. Step 4. Buy Bitcoin. With your account funded, it's Bitcoin buying time. Navigate to the Buy section and select Bitcoin, BTC, as your desired currency. Here, you can choose between a market order, buying at the current price, or a limit order, specifying the price you want to pay. Newbies, a market order is the simplest option. Just enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, you can even buy fractions, and confirm the transaction. Step 5. Secure your Bitcoin. Congratulations, you are now a Bitcoin owner. But before you go celebrate with a digital champagne toast, let's talk about security. Bitcoin lives on the blockchain, a decentralized network, which means there's no bank to hold your hand if something goes wrong. To keep your Bitcoin safe, you'll need a crypto wallet. This is essentially a digital storage unit for your cryptocurrency. There are many options out there, so do your research and choose one that fits your needs. Don't be tempted to store your Bitcoin on the exchange itself. Think of it like keeping your cash in the store register overnight. Not the best idea. So, there you have it. Buying Bitcoin with a bank transfer on Gemini is a straightforward process, perfect for beginners. Remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Do your research, understand the risks, and never share your private keys with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.